All right, so we're back with a dropless review for friend of the show, Royal Surge.
Shout out Isaac.
We've got a guest here, also yes. Shout out Isaac. Don't turn too far. Don't turn too far.
All right. Our set is a little tight.
Yeah, we have a Christmas tree and everything, so we're kind of scrunched up.
We should have been in front of the Christmas tree.
Anyway, with that being said, we're going to talk about the Royal Surge drop. This is the Black Friday drop. This is being recorded Sunday. It might go up then or else Cyber Monday, which I think they're still doing the same sale Cyber Monday. So you guys should be able to get hold of that. But what is dropping, there's some new stuff as well as some like re-releases, I believe. And then things that have been up on the site but marked it down. So we'll start with the puffers, just since I think that's the majority of what's releasing.
Can I go get mine?
Yeah, you can go grab it.
All right.
I'll talk about it.
I'm coming back.
So we have what looks like 5 puffers, I think. We have the... I'll try to put the image up like right here too. Hopefully it's big enough for you guys to see everything. But we have the like multicolor one. These are all different, like some of them are the same camo, the same pattern, but a different colorway. This one is a different style. It is done in kind of like a sketch, almost like a crayon or colored pencil style. And I don't know, I'm not the craziest about this colorway, but another version, as you guys can see, we have the black on black one, which my brother just pulled out right there. Do you want to talk about that one a little bit? When it first released, or like when you got this one?
This one first released in maybe it was like February of this year.
Yeah, and it looks like...
That seems about right. And so it's a puffer, right? Kind of like almost like nylon exterior material, right? Poly type, right? It's like a blend.
Tag if you're really interested.
But the inside is fur lined, which is really nice. So I like that. And then this is almost like a little bit of, I don't know if it is 3M, but it has like some reflective. The back is definitely reflective. The white print on the back.
Yeah, I don't know how well it'll focus on that.
That's all right. But yeah, it's got a hood. You can take the hood off.
Removable
I
hood.
wore this to Wisconsin. It's definitely capable of keeping you warm. I got a lot of compliments on it too. So.
All right, and then looks like retail. It says on this post, it says that puffers are $165, which is $40 off. So retail was $205.
Yeah.
So we have those two colorways. We also have a light blue colorway, which I think follows the same pattern, just a set of like blue shades to make it up, which I think looks good. The colors used. We also have this kind of like cotton candy one where it's pink and then a light blue tossed in there, which not for me, but I think, once again, the colors are looking fine. And then we have a black, white, and red one, which maybe I'm not the most keen on those ones. Maybe I like the tonal ones a little bit more. Probably my favorite would be the black on black one that you got.
Black's good. I like all the colors on this. I like the addition of the red and white and black. That's very cool. Is the yellow one also a puffer? Yeah, right?
Yeah, it's like a sketch puffer one.
I like that one too.
So, moving forward with more of the all-over heart designed pieces, we have 4 zip hoodies. I think 2 might be full zip and then 2 are just like
regular zip.
The zip, like the hood doesn't go all the way up
to the neck. Right.
So the bottom right, we have a black and white one, and then also a black, white, and red one. How do you feel about these ones?
I'm not a big zip up guy. Working in tech, I tend to not wear zip up hoodies because you get like the Mark Zuckerberg kind of vibe going when you wear a zip up. So I've always strayed away from zip ups. Maybe unfortunately, but yeah, just not a silhouette for me, but I do like the designs for sure.
Yeah, I've also always been more of like a pullover dude or like a 3/4 zip or something. So I actually don't have any full zips. But moving to the top left of the image, we also have 2 more colorways. This time around, we have the white and baby blue, and then we also have this kind of like beige yellow, and then
it's got a couple shades of green. That's my favorite. I like that one a lot. It's like a camo colorway, but not like
traditional.
Not like traditional camo. It's also like a different camo pattern. So like it almost doesn't look like camo. It's kind of a neat use of like the same kind of themes of camo, but not exactly camo. I like that one.
Yeah, I think that's a good colorway, and it's like a unique pair of colors that were chosen. So
yeah, for sure.
Moving forward, we have some what I thought were very like Sakami-esque designs.
Oh, yeah.
Are the Royal Surge like hot rod inspired graphic, and this can be seen on a black hoodie, a white hoodie, and then also that white T-shirt.
I love it on the tee. It's so cool on the tee.
Yeah, and this is like obviously a jumbo graphic. It like goes across the whole thing. We have Royal Surge done in kind of like some chaotic flames. We have the
Heart Boy,
heart dude, Heart Boy. I'm not sure if that's like the official name for it, but he's driving a hot rod. We got some like smoke and whatnot going underneath it.
I think that's supposed to be a Mustang, isn't it?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Looks like it.
Could be with the like headlights, something like that.
Yeah.
But I think this one's all right. I think this is something that, like I said, is very like Sakami-esque. It seems like every Sakami drop he's got something along the lines of this. So I don't know. I think they look cool, but it might be a little bit derivative of something like that, in my opinion.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't follow Sakami too much. It seems like the same style as these other graphics, though. Or would you say the same thing for the other graphics on the tees?
No.
Oh,
I think these ones specifically, because they do a lot of the hot rods, but it's not like they're the first one to do the hot rod designs. It's just I've been seeing them do a lot of them lately, so that's what my mind jumps to. So moving forward, we have this like arcade one. We have the Heart Boy sitting down an arcade machine, and then it says Royal Surge, and then at the top of the machine, I believe it says like the world is yours or something like that.
That's dope.
Like
and the machine's got the heart camo.
Yeah, and then the machine has the heart camo. It's a little hard to see what's on the screen. I think just like a globe and some type of like game with annotations or like overlays going on.
Yeah. The next one is awesome, dude. I love the print on that. Like the fonts are crazy. It's like Galaga for the royal portion, and then Surge is like a score almost.
The Surge part reminds me of like the Powerball logo.
Oh really? I kinda.
The little like circles.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think that's a really interesting graphic. Very like, what is that, like 2000s, like early 2000s?
I'd
or
say
something?
like early 90s.
Like Blade era or something like that almost.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then as far as the graphic goes,
Very
looks
cool.
like you have a bunch of like heart characters. But anyway, moving forward, we have this just like heart design. We have Royal up top, Surge down below, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hearts going on there. Of course, we have like a bunch of characters once again. The bottom two got some normal eyes, and then the top 4 all have kind of like their dead eyes going on. Got some halos, characters doing different like expressions. I'd say out of all the graphics, this is probably my least favorite one. I'd probably like choose this one last, but I don't think there's anything too wrong with it. So the last item on this post is the Balaclava or face mask. I'm not exactly sure what they're calling it. Yeah, they're calling it the Emotions Breathable Balaclava.
Okay.
For $30 US. I'm not sure if there's any sale on it, because it is on the sale, the Black Friday like drop list, but it did release like just prior to that going down. And then also, before we get too far, let me mention that the hoodies are supposedly $40, which is 20% off.
Nice. Wow.
Drop is live. Everything is 20% off. $40 for the hoodies. Puffers are $165. Maybe he means $40 off the hoodies.
How much are the hoodies normally?
$40. I thought they were usually pretty expensive.
I thought they were over 100 usually.
But yeah, overall, what do you think of the drop?
Dude, I like it. This stuff's awesome.
A lot of stuff coming out. That's seemed like there's just kind of been like one piece here and there trickling, and it's cool to see a bigger collection drop. So I was excited when that was announced.
Absolutely, dude.
But yeah, if you guys are interested, the website for Royal Surge will be linked down in the description below. And with that being said, that's about all I've got. Anything you want to add?
Bye.